How you can buy Waffles coin on Solana. So first of all, for this purpose we are going to use Phantom Wallet, which is a popular application among meme coins. You can sell and buy all kind of meme coins on this platform. Now to purchase, you can click on swap. Make sure to have some Solana or any other popular asset in your specific wallet. Then you just need to click on this receive, and then you just need to search for Waffles. Once you search for it, make sure to do not click on the unverified tokens, because as the name says, these are unverified tokens. So the verified token is on the top. If I click on this, again you need to do your own research and see if it is an official coin or not. You can look at market cap, you can look at its wallet address, and you can look at their website. If it is original, you can then head over and you can simply swap your specific token to Waffles, and that's how you can purchase Waffle coin on Solana.